So myself Anand Sharma, the tour guide in Mumbai, and Miss Tessa from America. Today we are going to explore a futuristic city, that is the city of Navi Mumbai. So let's go.
We are driving over 22-kilometer long sea link Atal Setu to enter into the future of Mumbai, which is soon going to see 5 international universities setting up their campuses in Navi Mumbai, enabling the Indian students avail the quality education at 25% cost of overseas cost of education. These 5 universities are University of Aberdeen in United Kingdom, University of York again in United Kingdom, University of Western Australia, Australia, Instituto de Design in Italy, and University of Illinois, USA. The city is known for its green landscape, and it is all about 3S: the speed, space, and a perfect destination for the people seeking solitude in an urban atmosphere. Thanks to its suburb of Kharghar, described as the most livable suburb in Mumbai mega metropolitan region by the United Nations officials. The city with a population of 2 million people is going to link Mumbai 3, also known as the third Mumbai, with Mumbai. The city as a now is called as NAINA, Naina, and it stands for Navi Mumbai Airport Influence Notified Area, and it is designed to house data center companies near the new airport being set up in Navi Mumbai. The city has some great places to visit for a memorable trip, and we are going to visit some of them. We first visited the Central Park, the Grand City Park, and the second biggest park in Asia for the joggers. It is loved not only by the citizens of Navi Mumbai, but it is also loved by many birds like koel, maina, Indian cormorants, and many other birds. My guest Tessa is a great lover of nature. She enjoys bird watching, and she could trace these birds and their calls thanks to the cell phone application installed in her cell phone. We then visited a Sikh religious place, Gurudwara, to pay respect to Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikh religion, the fourth religion of India. As we were coming out of the shrine, we were asked by the Gurudwara authorities to avail the meal prepared in the community kitchen of the shrine. This meal service is called as the langar, and it's a common practice in Sikh shrines to offer meals to the devotees, especially during the lunchtime. For Tessa, it was a unique experience to take the meal sitting on the ground along with the ladies who have committed their lives to the shrine. She wanted to express the gratitude by offering her services by cutting the vegetables and working along with these ladies to help in the cooking for the devotees who were supposed to visit shrine in the next few hours. What an awesome experience I could see in her face during the course of helping these ladies. She was surprised to find that two of these ladies had their sons settled in the United States of America, and she is the citizen of United States of America. However big the world seems to be, sometimes it becomes very, very small. We then moved to the City Golf Club to have our tea. As we were enjoying and having our famous masala chai on the tables of the restaurant, it was a great fun to see the golf players practicing and perfecting their playing skills, and at the same time some of them were also being trained by the trainer. This is an 18-hole golf club. The tourists can play golf by buying the tickets, and the first time players can also get their golf lessons by paying a nominal fees. You can also enjoy unlimited buffet meals served at the golf club, especially on Sundays only, for a mere sum of 300 rupees. That is 3.5 US dollar, but only on Sundays. We then move to our next destination, the Pasek Hill. The Pasek Hill is a hill in Navi Mumbai which has many viewpoints. These viewpoints offer the great views of the city from different angles. If you are interested to learn Vipassana, the Buddhist way of highest meditation, you may make a visit and have a stay for 10 days in Buddhist pagoda located at the highest point of the hills. This hill has the beautiful villas owned by the rich people in serene atmosphere. I've never been to Beverly Hills, neither Teresa, so she could not answer if I could call it Beverly Hills of Mumbai. The The flamingos love to throng Navi Mumbai beginning October, and they are here till June. We could not see many of them and only very few along with few egrets. She loved birds and her daughter too. She promised to see them by making a second trip to Navi Mumbai as we were early in September. Now it was our time to enjoy the feeling of being present in the farmland by visiting the farm products market, the APMC market, the market of the farmers, whereby more than 20,000 transporters bring in the farm produces directly from the farmers to be distributed in the markets of Mumbai. This is the primary market for the distribution of farm products, which also has cold storage and conditioned atmosphere storage for the storage of farm produces. We saw all the type of spices, nuts, dry fruits, tea, fruits and vegetables as we moved in the market. Although she did not want to leave, she had to leave the market to participate in the food tour in the evening. This is what she has to say about the day she spent in Navi Mumbai. Thank you.
So,
Go ahead.
Tessa, can you tell me something about the experience of Navi Mumbai tour?
Navi Mumbai was wonderful because it's very different from Mumbai. It's more green and a lot more new buildings, and it's really interesting, a good contrast between this part of Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, and I encourage everyone to go on this tour.
Thank you.